So this is like a 3D project I had done. You had showed once how to do the 3D animation, no, sir.
Hmm?
So I wanted to implement it. So I have done only for heart now. I'll do
Mm-hmm.
it for other organs also.
Sure.
Okay, now I'll play for heart.
Wow.
Heart. This is the sound of a heartbeat. Our heart is made up of 4 chambers. Namely, left atrium, right atrium, left ventricle, and right ventricle. Fun facts. The average heart is the size of an adult fist. Your heart will beat around 1,15,000 times each day. Each day, your heart pumps about 2,000 gallons of blood. A man's heart is typically 2 ounces heavier than a woman's. The blood vessel system would extend over 60,000 miles. A woman's heart beats slightly faster than a man's. Now, let's see how heart pumps the blood. The blood enters our heart either through superior or inferior vena cava and goes in to the right atrium. The blood then will be passed to the right ventricle where it will be squeezed and then will be ejected through the pulmonary artery. The ejected blood will be oxygenated and re-enters the heart through the pulmonary vein and goes into the left atrium. And then it will be passed on to the left ventricle and then will be ejected through the aorta. Here's a sample how our heart pumps the blood. This is how the heart pumps the blood. Here you can see that the blood in the right chamber is not oxygenated, whereas the blood in the left chamber is oxygenated. So this was about the heart.
Wow. Very impressive. Show the code.
Yes, sir.
How did you get that rotating of this one? Show the sprite, heart sprite. Show the costumes.
Yes, sir. 1 second. This is actually a GIF which I downloaded. So when you import it to Scratch, it will automatically have all the costumes there.
Wow. How did you find out that this is possible?
Sir, by trial and error. I just
Wow.
imported a GIF and it had all the costumes, so I got to know we can do it this way also.
Excellent. And audio, you gave the audio, is it?
Yes, sir. Me and my sisters.
Excellent. Probably next time you can also try your video.
Okay, sir.
Video, I don't think it will support. Probably we have to simulate like this, how we have done.
Yes,
It will
sir.
look cool, actually. It will look as if picture-in-picture effort impact you can give.
Yes, sir.
But this itself is very cool.
Thank you, sir.
Did you show it to your teacher?
No, sir, not
Who
yet.
is your class teacher?
AMS, ma'am.
Yeah, show it to her. No, this is actually very impressive work.
Yes, sir, I'll show it to her.
Look at the power of this. You are technically creating, yeah, very sophisticated voice assisted animation, which is totally controllable. You have control on each and every frame.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, only if we use better quality picture, then yeah, you have world class multimedia content which can be used for any teaching anything actually.
Yes, sir.
Look at it. On the other side, you have to go with tools like Office 365, which are very expensive.
Yes, sir.
Not this is available free of cost. Only here, only the pictures are copyrighted. If you can source some pictures from Wikimedia Commons, then in fact you can claim the copyright.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyway, I think you should showcase to your class teacher first, then through her your principal,
Okay, sir.
and you should showcase in any competition as soon as any competitions open up. I think you should showcase this. This is the first time I'm seeing 3D on Scratch. I thought it takes a lot of effort.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, anybody has any question? This is really very high-end work. Good
Yeah,
part
I
is
have a
it is
question.
doable. Yeah, go ahead, Sainam.
Yeah. So this is you downloaded multiple GIFs one by one, or how is it done? Is it you have a lot of GIFs in there? Do you have
No,
a library from-
all are not just only this one. Oh wait, I'll just show. Only this one and this 361 is GIFs. Others all are just photos.
Sainam,
Yeah.
and to answer your question, we need not to overdo it. We can just pick and choose. Whichever we want to animate, we can use the GIF for that. And
Right,
good part
okay.
is even PowerPoint allows us to create GIFs. So yeah, now she has opened up a lot of possibilities. Okay,
Right.
now that we know this technique, yeah, this cool thing is Scratch converting GIFs into this costumes.
Yeah. Can you run that again?
Yeah.
Wonderful, so smooth it is.
Heart.
Hmm.
This is the sound of a heartbeat.
Yeah, just pause it. In fact, you can even start your narration even while it is rotating. That's the power of Scratch, right? As soon as you click the green button, you can start your narration also. So it will look really cool. That means you are technically creating full-fledged multimedia learning content.
Yes, sir.
Kiran sir, could I ask one question?
Sure, Neeraj.
Yeah, Radha, could I ask one question to you?
No, her name is Chetna. I think Radha is her mother.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry for that. Chetna, do you understand the circulatory system of the human anatomy?
No, I mean, I just gathered some of the information which was available on Google, and I just did it.
Yeah. I think about that because when we not knowing about the basic concept of that, we will not convert into any programming language. So
Yeah.
we have to understand this, and you are using lots of pictures in that particular thing, and it is good for everyone. Even I am a Scratch and Python. I'm teaching the student, but this is the best project of yours. I think so.
Thank you.
Good job, Chet.
Thank you.
Yeah, anybody else has a question? Any of the children? Let's all learn together.
ಸರ್
Yeah, Bhavani?
ಸರ್ ಇದು ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇದು
ಹಾ,
ಅದು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Can you share this project, Chetna?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll.
Yeah. Is it already shared? Have you made it public?
So no, I should share it online. I didn't.
Yeah, you can share it online. If you can do it now, you can do it. Otherwise, you can do it and send me the WhatsApp. Then I will share with others.
Okay, sir. I'll do it.
You can put it here, no, right away.
No, if she has not made it public yet, there is some process.
Yeah, I should share it in Scratch.
Yeah. Not a problem. Take your time. So anybody else has any question? That's the easiest part. Now, key thing is you should also try and do it. Now that you learned, she explained, right? Instead of just blindly following what she has done, you should also attempt something newly, differently. Take another GIF and see how it converts. That's where the fun is.
Yes.
And also you will have satisfaction that you did it instead of using somebody else's. Yeah, through these examples, we should learn techniques. You need not have to reuse the content. You should apply the content in another context. Now she has
Yeah.
used to explain the heart. You can use it to explain something else. For example, it not necessarily you have to use for biology. You can use it to show something else which is difficult. You can use it for physics. You can use for chemistry. You can use for mathematics.
Yes.
You can use for English, language teaching, social studies. Like a lot of things will emerge now. Imagine if you can do a group of horses running. We keep getting such GIFs, right? Imagine a battle scene. That means technically you can create a movie.
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any question?
No, sir.
No, whoever has question only you can answer. Otherwise, you can keep.
Kiran,
Ah,
can we create a sketch file to run it as a self running file in the sense without using the editor and then just save these things and
why do you want to tell me in which context that will be useful?
so let's say if you can create them as offline files, when you are doing a lesson for the teachers, you put just a link there and click on it, it will open and run as a lesson.
Okay, answer is no, but I will tell you the workaround. Workaround is in all platforms you can install Scratch offline.
That I know, yeah.
Online it's available. Even if I send you on WhatsApp on URL, if you click, you need not open Scratch. It will only open Scratch and it's ready for running.
That's right.
Okay, but still if you want to do it, you have to use some video editor like Camtasia and create MPEG-4 file yourself. But in that case, you will lose interactivity.
Correct. That's right. Yeah.
So I think whatever they have done, this is the best. So that you can interact, you can click, you can see different paths. Otherwise, video, what will happen? It will take away intelligence from us.
Yeah, video will not be the right thing. We still have to have the interactivity. At the same time, if you can push the entire Scratch infrastructure behind the scenes, it becomes a lot more realistic.
I get your point, but look at it. iPhone is a great gadget, but it is making us dumb. Right?
Yes,
As
sir.
soon as I click, let's say stock price of Infi, I can see it immediately within fraction of a second, but I have no clue how they have done it. Now, look at the power of Scratch. You should have 100% knowledge of how it has been done. That's the advantage. Another thing is in between. Now that Chetna is, you are progressing so well. Let me slightly increase the challenge.
Yes, sir.
You can create in between some quizzes.
Okay, I'll do it.
I give you a menu item. As soon as you land, in addition to the options which you gave, you also are one level before that. You ask them what they want to do. Now, after having seen this, let them click on a quiz. So that it will help them to do self-assessment. Sainam, then in that case, it will become so powerful, the teacher can use this as an entire curriculum with the combination of content as well as assessment.
Yeah.
Which, look at it, if a high school student can do it and give it to this teacher, what more scalability you will get, right?
Yeah.
So then your sky is the limit. Yeah, thanks a lot, Chetna. I think this is wonderful. I think this is such a great contribution. I'm sure this will
Thank you.
open up a lot of possibilities.
Thank you, sir.